Click the Manage button to enter the Manage Translation page. And then click on the store page you want to edit to go to the editing page. After entering the editing page, the machine translation results are on the right side. You can correct the translation and then click Save to save your edits. If you can't find the content you want to edit, you can use the global search to locate it. If your store content is updated in the future and you want to automatically update the translations, enable the Auto Translation feature. Please note that only products and collections will be automatically sync. For other content, free plan users need to sync manually, while paid users will have an automatic sync from 2 to 3 a.m. daily. You can also sync immediately by clicking the Sync button.